What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on PTON ticker. And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this ticker. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this very point and I've told you that we completed all 5-wave structure with this massive movement after hours on February the 4th, and this means we have to pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from the very bottom to the very top, and we had following levels. We already hit at that moment the range of $32.29. It is 0.236 Fibonacci retracement range, and statistically we have not more than 10 to 15% probability to have a trend reversal from this range. And that's why I suggested to enter your position if you wanted to catch next leg to the upside with the ranges of 0.382. It is a price point of $30.6, 0.5 is $29.24. And the golden pocket, it is the range in between 27.5 to 27.87. And as you can see, this asset was extremely technical. We had next touch of 0.382 range and had first bounce to the upside. And then we had a rollover. On the range of 0.5 at the price point of 29.26, we had second touch and we had next bounce to the upside. And again we had a rollover. And right here we had another touch of golden pocket and had massive bounce to the upside. So guys, right here you can see how powerful technical analysis is. We cannot know exactly where we might have a trend reversal. That's why these ranges are extremely powerful ranges, and we have certain probabilities to have a trend reversal from each and every this range, and that's why we have to accumulate our position on these levels, and these are the most powerful. And we have this movement to the upside, then we had a rollover and we hit next level. Statistically, it is less probable level that we might hit in our retracement range, but still we have about 25 to 30% probability to have a trend reversal from 0.786. And we had this trend reversal right after the earnings report. And despite of the miss in expectations, the price of this company went higher. So congratulations to all of you who took my call, and your average price might be at around $29, and technically you might be up to current price for about 32%. Very good achievement. So let's continue what was the reason of this spike in price. Right here we have the article that was published right after their earnings report, and it says Peloton Interactive non-JAP earnings per share of negative $1.39. Misses by 47 cents. Revenue of $1.14 billion, misses by $10 million. So technically they missed the expectations, but they have a rather good guidance. And for now, it is quite insane to see bad earnings report for the previous quarter, but if you have very good guidance for upcoming quarters or even year, definitely the stock price of your company will skyrocket. And definitely we saw it with Netflix or Facebook, when bad expectations drives the price of the companies down. And it is what it is. So what are the guidance? Full year 2022 Q3 guidance, approximately 2.93 million ending connected fitness subscriptions, $950 million to $1 billion total revenue, gross profit margin of approximately 23%, negative $140 million to negative $125 million adjusted EBITDA. And definitely these guidance are quite promising, and especially their full year 2022 guidance are following: approximately 3 million ending connected fitness subscriptions, $3.7 billion to $3.8 billion in total revenue, gross profit margin of approximately 28%, increase in margin, and $675 million losses to $625 million of losses in adjusted EBITDA. And this guidance drives the price of Peloton higher, especially with the upcoming partnership with Amazon or Nike. And this leads to the massive price action. So, what are the price targets according to TPRanks? TPRanks has 21 ratings of this stock, and 11 of them suggest to buy, 8 to hold, and 2 to sell. And the price targets are following. Lowest price target is $30, average price target is $43.16, and the highest price target is $68. So, to the average price, this asset has an upside potential of about 15.8%. Not so big, but we already have more than 35% right here, and definitely it is very good gains. So, what catalysts might be in upcoming sessions? Definitely it is the support from retail investors, and on stocktweets.com, on most active section, Peloton is on the first place, and on the watchers section, Peloton is also on the first place. On top of that, appwisdom.io, the website that tracks the activity on Wall Street Bets communities, right here we can find the Peloton on the second place, right after the Facebook. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, as you can see, we have several waves with this movement to the upside, and you might wonder, Andrei, but you've told us that we have to have 5-wave structure, and here we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 waves. And let me show you what is the breakdown according to Elliott wave theory. In this case, if you have multiple waves inside the wave, you have to count on the volume. And the highest volume usually shows the third wave. And in our case, definitely our third wave is inside. And here it is. This is our first wave, second, third, fourth, and fifth. And this wave has the highest volume, and it is an internal third wave. This means this entire movement is the third one. So, on a greater scale, we have this is our first wave, this is our second, this is our third, fourth, and fifth. And I don't need this wave. And for now, we have very technical movement, and we complete all 5 waves. This means if it is the third wave on a greater scale, if this is the first wave, this is the second, this is the third, we have to have the retracement, and then we have to finish our 5th wave. But for now, I don't think that it is the case, and here is why I think so. In my opinion, if it is the 3-wave structure on a greater scale, if I zoom out to 4 hours time frame, we have consistently lower highs and lower lows, and for now we have this movement to the upside. From the technical standpoint, we have absolutely identical waves if we have first wave, second, third, fourth, and fifth, and we have identical movement to the upside in the retracement. We have A wave right here, B wave right here, and C wave right here. So until we won't see this retracement and the next leg to the upside, we cannot confirm this movement as a real uptrend, and that's why we have to be cautious. So let me zoom in a little bit again to 15 minutes time frame. And what is the potential price action on upcoming session? In my opinion, if it is the third wave, we have to have a retracement, but in order to remain bullish, we shouldn't overlap the top of our first wave if it is the first wave. And in this case, let me pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from the bottom to the top. We already hit the 0.236 Fibonacci retracement range. And with the rule of alternation, we should have the difference in between second wave and fourth wave. If second wave retraced deeper, then fourth wave shouldn't retrace so deep. And technically we might have the next leg to the upside from this very range. And if you want to catch this potential trade, and I warn you guys, it is very risky because most likely we will have deeper price action to collect more steam, and we might have even a diagonal in this first initial movement. In this case, you have to accumulate your position all the way down, and your stop loss, if you want to be extremely conservative, your stop loss should be slightly below this range. And if you will break it, most likely we will hit lower ranges. And if you want to invest in this asset, as usual, wait until the market reveals itself, and when we will have the complete structure of 5 waves or complete structure of ABC correction, in this case you can add to your position on the ranges, in my opinion, below $28. So, I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!